Okay, now move on our second lecture. It's about basic operation. Basic operation. And we will perform the operations on numbers and strings. Numbers and strings. And the first one is arithmetic operators in Python. It's about how to operate our numbers in the Python. Okay. And I will show you how to addition, subtraction, or multiplications, or divisions. Okay, so the first one is addition. Okay, this is really easy. You just use what a to add 9, and it will equal to x. Okay, so x will show you that is 17. 17. So addition is really easy. Okay. Okay. And in here, we can see the a divided by 3, and a will show you the 2.66666. Okay. And if today I use double divisions, and that will become the 2. Okay. That will become the 2. Okay. What's their difference? One with a floating point number, and the other don't have. Okay. So if today you use two divisions, and that will become the integer. And if you only use 1, and that will become a number with a floating point number. Okay, so that is their difference. Okay, so you can decide today you use a 1 division or you use 2 divisions. Okay. So one is forward slash, and the other is 2 forward slash. Okay. So one division is, so if today you want to use integer division, and we just use 2 forward slash. And today you want to become a floating number division, and you need to use a 1 forward slash. So that is their difference. Okay, and maybe sometimes you can use a math floor, and that will become the same thing. That will become the same thing. Okay, and this is addition and division, and I think the subtraction and the multiplication, this is really easy, so I will not show you how to run this. I just want to show you that what's the basic operation, and what's the difference between, today I use 1 forward slash and the 2 forward slash, and what's their difference. Okay, so now we can move on. The other thing is type. Okay, actually we can use a type to understand this variable is integer, or this is a string, or this is floating point numbers. Okay, you can use the type to understand this. Okay, maybe I can show you with my Jupyter. If I use a equal to 3, and I print a, and you can see here with the point, you can see here with the floating point numbers. Okay, this is 0.375, and if today I use the 2 forward slash, is b equal to 2 forward slash a, and I use print b. Okay, this will become the 0. They only show the integer. They will not show you the floating point number. Okay, so that is their difference. Okay, and actually we can use the other way is type A. They will told you that is a float. Okay, if today I use a type B in here, and that will be an integer. This will be an integer. Okay, so that is their difference. So this is their difference. I can use the type to understand the data type. Okay. And the other thing is double asterisk. Okay, maybe I just call it a star. I can use the 2 star to operate the exponentiation operator. Okay, this is just 平方. So if today the first numbers behind the 2 star, and that will be assigned as our base. If the second numbers, that will become our exponent. Okay, exponent is just our 平方, 几次方, that. Okay, so if today I use the second, and that will become the 3 multiply 3. Okay, so that numbers will become, the result will become the 9. So that is about exponentiation operator. Okay, this is about the double star. Okay. And here the other thing is reminder. If today maybe you needed to understand, oh, maybe I want to 3 divided 2, and I will note what's the, I want to know the reminder. I can use the percent. What is percent? I can show you. Okay, so that will become 2. Okay, because if today I use a divided by 3, so that will become 2. Okay, and if today I wanna just show the integer, and that will become the 2, and with a 2 reminder. Okay, so I will show you if today I use a 9, this will become the 0, because I think if today we use a 3, and that will become the 9. Okay, that will not emerge any reminder in here. Okay. So what's a reminder? Reminders in Chinese is the 余数. 余数. Okay, maybe 9除以3. That will become 3, and 余零, 3余零. So that is 0. Okay. So that is about the reminder. Okay, and here the other thing is variable equal to variable add number. I think in the previous course you already know what is variable equal to variable add number. Okay, maybe the first variable, that is a new container, that is a new one, and that is original variable, and that is the other number. So I can use this way, just like this thing. You can see the first line, at the beginning, and 1 added 2, that will assign to A. So what's the A now? A is 3, right? So if I print A, that will become the 3. Okay, and now we can see our third line, that is A equal to A add 3. So the first A, that is a new A. The second A, that is our original A. What's our original A? Original A is 3, right? So if we use a 3 add 3, so that will become a new A is 6. Okay, so that is about variable equal to variable add number. Okay? And here, you can see I can use this way. Do you know what this means? If today I use a add equal to 3, what's this meaning? This meaning is a equal to what's this result? You can guess this. What's this result? This will become the 6. Why this will become the 6? It's because if today I use a add equal 3, that will become the a equal to a add 3. Okay. And if today I use a minus equal 3, that will become a b equal to b minus 3. Okay, so that is their meaning. Okay, so that is a equal to a add 3. So a equal to 3 add 3. So that will become the 6. And if today I use b minus equal 3, that will become the b equal to 3 minus 3. So that will become the 0. Okay, so back to our slide, and you can see here variable add equal will become the variable add. Okay. So that is just the another easy way to help us to use these things. Okay. We not repeat our variable again. So you can try to use these other things, but you need to give a number. Okay. Okay, and now please see our screen. Okay, and we can use a Boolean logic. Actually, Boolean logic can help us to understand, this sentence is true or false. Actually, this has a lot of operator. Okay, the first one we use a to equal, and this is equal to. Okay, the other one is how to pronounce this? 惊叹号，惊叹号等于 is not equal to. Okay, and here is less than, here is greater than, here is less than or equal to. Maybe we just add an equal in here. Okay, So that is our Boolean logic. We can use a Boolean logic to understand today this sentence is true or false. Okay, maybe I think the most of the times we will use these two, equal to and not equal to. And sometimes maybe we still need to use these things. Okay? And now we will move on the string operator. What is string operator? String operator, that is about we conduct some operation in our string. Okay, so we can go to you can create a new Jupyter and we will run our string operators. Okay, so the first one is we can use a single quote or a double quote to assign a string in a container. Okay, and this container we will call it as a string. So we can use this way, Shift Enter. It's programming and a string. Programming string. Programming is just they help us to print it. Okay, and they will help us to understand the type of this A. But some classmates, maybe you will face a problem or encounter a problem. They will not told you what's this data type. What's this data type? If you encounter this problem, maybe you just create a new notebook. You will solve the problem. Okay. If you know, you don't make any mistake in your code. Maybe you just create a new one. Okay. And sometimes you will find out that your code will not be executed. Your code will not be executed, and you need to check it. Maybe here will become the star. This will become the star. This will mean that maybe your memory is not enough in this file. So maybe you need to use create the other file to run your code. Okay, and you can keep running. Okay, so now you will know how to store our string. You can use a single quote and a double quote to store our string. Okay, that is the same way. Okay, and then most of the times if that is not a number, and I will use a string method to store it. I can use a string method to store it. Okay, and now that is a concatenate. Okay, concatenate operator. That is just we can combine two strings. Okay, that is just use string 1 is hello and the string 2 is Taiwan. So I use a string 1 add string 2. That will become a new string. I call this new string as string combine. So I print it. This will become hello Taiwan. This will become hello Taiwan. I can combine two strings. Okay. And here we can see this. If today I want to use a quote in string, for example, is hello world, I am from Taiwan, and I want to make the Taiwan has a quote in here in our sentence. So I put the quote in here. So let's see the result. This will show you an invalid syntax. What is invalid syntax? Okay, this is because this is a non-allowed character. What is a non-allowed character? It means because we already use a double quotation in here, so we can use the double quotations in our string. Okay, but if today you wanna use your double quotes and you need to add a slash in here, you need to add your slash in here. Okay, so we can run it again. You can see your double quotes will be here. Okay. So if today we wanna use a string and we wanna add some quotes in our string, you needed to use a slash before our first double quote and our second quote. Okay, and you can use this way. And there is the other way we can use. I can show you. If today you already know you will use the double quote in your sentence, maybe you can change it. You can change the double quote in here with the single quote. Single quote. Okay. The double quote is replaced by our single quote. So that will become the same. Okay. So we just not use the same quote with our outsider. The insider will use a different quote type with our outsider. Okay. So if you wanna use the same with your outsider quote, and you needed to add a slash in here. So that is a way to help us to make the quote in our string. Okay, and now we take a 10-minute break, and you can practice it, or you wanna go to anything. Okay, go ahead. And here is a string slicing operator. String slicing operator. What is string slicing? Okay, first of all, we needed to build a concept at the beginning. And today, the string is Hello Taiwan. Okay, Hello Taiwan. The 0 is H, 1 is E, 2 is L. The 11 is N. Okay, so you already know the relationship between the index and our string. So we can use this way. If today I use string 1, 1, what's the result? What's the result? Is E? Okay. And what's minus 3? What's minus 3? What's minus 3? 1, 2, 3 is W. Is W. Okay. And what's 1, 5? What's 1, 5? Start from 1 and end before the 5. So it's ELLO. Is this true? And what is 2? What's this meaning? And what's 5? Okay, you have a lot of questions in here. So maybe we just string and enter, and you can see. What is 2? Okay, 2 is L. Okay, it's LLO from the L. So we can see the result. If I use a 2, so you can see. That is, we needed to show all the things behind from our index 2. Okay, we show all the thing. We show all the thing from the 2, from the index 2, not behind the 2. Behind the 2 is just from the 3, from the LO. But now you see that the result is LLO. So that meaning is we start from index 2. We start from index 2. So it's LLO Taiwan. Okay. And if today we see the 5, maybe just from the beginning to the 5. So if it is to the 5, we'll have our comma. But they're not show the comma, so this will only show the string hello, not the comma. So we needed to end before the index 5. End before the index 5. So that's only show hello. Okay. So please try to type all these things. Please try to type these things, and please change the value. Please change the different numbers, and you need to fill with this slicing. Okay. So we keep going. If today we wanna compare two string, and we can use the two equal, or that is maybe is exclamation equal. Okay, exclamation equal is just not equal. Okay, so today I set up 4 string. The string 1 is hello. The string 2 is hello, comma Taiwan. The string 3 is hello, comma Taiwan. The string 4 is Taiwan. Okay, so we needed to ask them, is string 1 equal to string 4? Is string 2 equal? You can see string 1 and string 4. One is hello, one is Taiwan. So that is false. You tell a lie, that is false. Okay, so string 2 is equal to string 3. String 2 is equal to string 3. I think it is true. Okay, so string 1 is not equal to string 4. I think it is true because that is truly not equal. Okay, so is string 2 not equal string 3? No, they are equal. So maybe we just see the result, false, true, true, false. Okay, so every time I will ask you, and you need to ask yourself, what's the result? You needed to guess it before I show the result to you. Okay, and how do you think with that? Do you think string 5 will equal to 6? Do you think these two things will equal? Do you think string 5 is not equal to string 6? Please raise your hand. Not equal. Okay. And if you think string 5 is equal to string 6, please raise your hand. Okay, we have 3 people, and you don't think that is equal. Maybe we just see the result. And I think no worry, just answer it. It's false. Okay, actually that is not equal. Okay, so you need to care all the things is the same. All the thing is the same. So that is a string comparison. Okay, so you can use these two operators to help you to conduct a comparison. Okay. And the other thing is membership operator. Okay, membership operator. I think we already learned what is membership operator. In previous course, we already know what is in, what is not in. But today, even in our string, and we can use in and not in to decide, to understand that is a member or not. Okay, so you can see the result. The H is in our hello Taiwan, yes. H is not in our string, that is 4. Taiwan is in our string 1, yes. Okay, Taiwan is not in our string 1, that is 4. Taiwan, okay, that is not, use a small t. So that is not in Taiwan, true. Okay, so this is our membership text. We can also use this way in our string operator. Okay. And maybe today you wanna show the business programming, and you wanna insert a new line. Just you don't want Python to emerge behind the programming. So maybe you can use a /n. /n will help you to insert a new line. Okay, we can show this business programming, and here will become the second line will become Python. Okay, we move the Python to the second line with the /n. Okay. And you can see here if today you wanna give a multiple lines, and in here maybe you will have so many things. Maybe you wanna draw a picture in here. Maybe you wanna draw a picture in here like this. Okay, maybe you wanna draw a picture like this, and you needed to use 3 double quotes at the beginning, at the end. In the end, we needed to use 3 double quotes, and they will follow your meaning to represent it. Okay, you can see here is a figure in here. Okay, you wanna make sure all the format is the same, so you needed to use double quotes in here. That can help you to represent multiple lines. Okay, double quote. But triple quote, you needed to use a triple quote. So now you can know in Stream there has so many things. We can compare, and we can use a membership operator, and we can use /n to insert a new line, and we can use a triple quote, okay, to use our multiple lines, okay. And here you can see the courses in undergraduate program include not only the training for something. Okay, this is a paragraph in here. Okay, but I wanna set up a tab in here. What is tab? Okay, I will show you. Here is your paragraph, and if you use your tab key, tab key, and here will become an empty in the beginning, right? Okay, so if today you wanna add an space, you wanna leave a space for this paragraph, and you needed to use a /t, and that can help you to insert a tab. So I just run it. You can see here has a space. And if I don't use a /t, and that will not leave any space in the beginning. So you needed to use a /t, and that will help you to insert a tab at the beginning. Okay. So that is our string operation. Okay.